Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Christmas holiday 2020 part 2 and I'm just getting started. I'm not doing much in this video as far as talking, so sorry about that. But I am just going in and putting together these Christmas trees that I'm going to be putting outside. I purchased all 3 of them from Walmart and they were a pretty decent price. So my sister and I are just sitting down, just trying to figure out how to get them put together, and this is kind of what it looks like. As you can see, my entryway is a complete mess right now trying to put all this stuff together, but we made it work and it really looks good outside. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, and thanks again for all of my subbies. I truly do miss you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Next, we're moving outside, so I purchased this wreath from Costco or Sam's. I don't remember which one, but I'm leaning more towards Costco. I absolutely love it. It is just a perfect size. The wreath that I previously had here was very small, but I just love the size of this one. And then the sign that I'm going to go ahead and put outdoors, I purchased from Walmart. Typically I get my signs from Hobby Lobby, but I didn't really see one this Christmas. I guess I waited too late to get one, but I do love it. It's really cute. I really wish that I had a basket sitting on the side of it that had maybe some garland or something like that. Again, these are the trees that I put up when I was inside of the entryway. But again, it's some little small things that I think could make the area a lot nicer, but this is just what I have right now. And then moving into my kitchen, we're just going to go ahead and take a look at the things that I have here. And again, I didn't do a whole lot, but it's just enough to put me in the holiday spirit. I hope you like it. you.